Hi, it's Celeste, your canary in the coal mine. Today I wanted to talk to you about the many names of sugar. One of the things that manufacturers do to make it look like there's not as much sugar in a product as there is to split the sugar up into different kinds of sugars so that they can go lower on the ingredients list. But it's not healthy for any of us to eat anywhere near as much sugar as we're eating nowadays. I heard recently that the average American eats 160 pounds of sugar a year. Well, I don't eat hardly any sugar except that might be naturally found in fruit. So someone else is eating my share, and they're probably getting diabetes and overweight as a result of it. So on the whole, I'd say don't even be buying the stuff that comes in boxes and packages and bags. But if you're going to buy those kinds of products, then what you should do is you should carefully look at the nutrition label and read the ingredients list. And these are all the many names of sugar: barley malt, beet sugar, blackstrap molasses, brown sugar, cane juice crystals, cane sugar, caramel, carob syrup, castor sugar, confectioner sugar, corn sweeteners, corn syrup, crystalline fructose, date sugar, demerara sugar, dextrin, dextrose, diastase, diastatic malt, D-mannose, evaporated cane juice, fructose, fruit juice concentrate, galactose, glucose, high fructose corn syrup. Also, you'll see HFCS on the label, honey, invert sugar, lactose, maltodextrin, maltose, malt syrup, maple syrup, molasses, raw sugar, rice syrup, sucrose, syrup, treacle, turbidindo sugar. And I can think of a few more. I noticed recently now the latest craze is coconut sugar. And there's anything that ends in chemistry, any substance that ends in OSE, that automatically means it's a sugar, like glucose, dextrose, sucrose. And anything that ends in OL automatically means it's some kind of alcohol, like xylitol. And those things should be avoided too, because they're only one molecule away from sugar. And both of them act very alike in the body. I always kind of laugh and say that all the males in my heritage, my grandparents and stuff, all the males were alcoholics and all the females were sugaraholics. Those two things react so similarly in the body that if you have an addiction or you have a genetic weakness for those sorts of things, either one will serve. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. These aren't even all the names of sugar, but it's an awful lot of them. Just pay attention if you're buying food that comes in packages. Look for some of these kinds of words and realize that you may be getting a lot more sugar in that package than what you think, because you're not seeing just the word sugar. So that's what I wanted to tell you for today, and I hope that this is another good tip to help you get well and stay well. Thanks.